Now for thermoforming of Ultraglass acrylic sheet. Note that there are two types of masking: blue, the standard masking, and an optional clear film masking for thermoforming. These protective film masks can be left on during the thermoforming process. The most common type of plastic sheet thermoforming is line bending. Extruded Ultraglass EX acrylic sheet will soften at lower temperatures, bend more quickly, and stiffen faster than Ultraglass CN acrylic sheet or cell cast type products. Strip heat bending will produce stress in the sheet. If the Ultraglass acrylic sheet part has short legs, bowing is likely to occur because of stress. The presence of large legs on the part will restrain bowing, but the stress level will remain high. This is true for any plastic sheet. To minimize stress and thereby warping or bowing, heat as narrow a strip as possible consistent with good design practice, and provide legs as large as possible. Bend the sheet with a film masking in place and the heated surface to the outside, as bending with a heated surface to the inside can cause creases. To reduce heating times, double-sided heaters are recommended for heating sheets greater than 3 mm in thickness. The only way to ensure minimum bowing stress is to heat the entire Ultraglass acrylic sheet and form over a mold. Hot air oven heating is also practical. However, you must pay close attention to heating cycle times. Our first step when using automatic equipment such as this thermoforming machine with upper and lower platens is to peel the film masking from the sheet. Next, remove dust and static electricity from the sheet with an ionized air gun. Then, place the acrylic sheet in a preheated clamped frame until the appropriate temperature is reached. Heating times and temperatures will vary depending on the design of the oven and the type of Ultraglass acrylic sheet being used. The soft heated sheet is then sealed against the mold and vacuum is applied to obtain the desired shape. After cooling, shut off the vacuum and remove the part. When heated for the first time, Ultraglass acrylic sheet shrinks, and allowance must be made for this in determining the dimensions of blanks. Ultraglass CN acrylic sheet shrinks uniformly by up to 2% in both directions. With Ultraglass EX acrylic sheet, depending on thickness, shrinkage can be from 3 to 6% in the extrusion direction and 1 to 2% in the transverse direction. When using Ultraglass EX acrylic sheet products, remember that the printing goes in the manufactured direction. Pre-drying in a circulating air oven is recommended when thermoforming at temperatures between 162 and 176 degrees Celsius for maximum vacuum definition. The sheet should be hung in an 82 degrees Celsius circulating air oven overnight for drying. When heating Ultraglass acrylic, place the sheet on a board covered with a soft cloth in an oven heated to 143 degrees Celsius. Uniform heating is essential when preparing Ultraglass acrylic sheet for thermoforming with infrared heating or circulating air oven heating. If heat is non-uniform, variations in shape will occur when forming the part, causing surface distortion. Air ovens with uniform turbulent air circulation with at least 46 meters per minute of air velocity are recommended. Drape forming of Ultraglass acrylic sheet necessitates covering the mold surface with a soft material such as cotton flannel or flocked rubber to minimize mark-off. This part is being freeformed by positive air pressure. Ultraglass sheet has an elastic memory of about 80% and usually can be reheated and reformed satisfactorily.